Hi. Now to begin with, let us try and understand what is a share. To understand this, let us consider that five friends have gone for a picnic and they decide to buy a pizza. The pizza is costing $12. So what they do is they contribute whatever money each of them have in their pocket. And that is how they contribute $10. So whatever the total money they can pool in is $10. Somebody has contributed one, somebody has contributed two, somebody has contributed three, and that makes a total of $10. They are still short of $2 to purchase that pizza. So what they do, they borrow that $2 from some nearby money lender and then purchase the pizza. So in the simplest words, this $10 which they have pooled in is called as the equity. The $2 which they have borrowed is called as the debt. So now what is the share? To understand that, let us see how they divide the pizza among themselves. They'll have to divide the pizza into equal and distributable portions. Try and understand these two words. Equal. Every piece has to be equal. And it also has to be distributable in the sense that if there are five people here, it shouldn't happen that you divide the pizza into six pieces or four pieces. They have to be distributable. Alright. So they divide the pizza into 10 equal pieces. And each portion or each piece of that pizza is called a share. So what each one of them gets? Aston gets one share, Bob gets two shares, Charlie gets three shares, and so on. Alright? Depending upon how much they had contributed. So that is how the whole pizza gets distributed among the people who had contributed for it. So now here the total shareable contribution is called as the equity. What was that total shareable contribution? That was $10. Alright? That is equity. And the borrowed money, the $2 which they had borrowed, is called as debt. And each equitable or the equal portion of the pizza is called a share. So now what I have just explained to you is conceptually what a share is. Now this concept we shall apply to the stock market and the industry as we proceed. And then we will see what is the relevance of equity, what is the relevance of debt, and what is a share in the stock market. Alright?